Hi everyone, welcome back to the Java Coding Series. In the previous video, we learned how to print simple text. In this video, we will take the next important step, that is printing variables. Let's see the problem statement. Let's print variable values in Java. So example, printing an integer, decimal value and a text stored in a variable. So to solve this, there are three steps involved. First step is creating a class and the main method. So let's create a class, print variables. So for this, I'll right click and select Java class, and the name I'll give as print variables. Okay, and then I'll zoom in and create a main. Yeah, first step is done. So next step is let's declare the variables to print them. So for example, int age equal to 25, double salary equal to some 50k 0.50, and string name equal to PrepLoop. Here we have three variables. So age stores number, salary stores a decimal value, and a name stores a text. So the third step will be we will print this variables. When we print some text, we use double quotes, right? But when we print variables, we do not use quotes. So we simply pass the variable name to the System.out.println. So let me do that. Age. So if you notice, I'm not using double quotes for this age. So same for other two variables. Yeah, pause the video here and try running this program on your system and let me know what output you get. Yeah, let's run this. Each variable value is printed on a new line. Now let's make the output more meaningful. So what this 25, 50,000 and this name is. So to do this, we use plus operator which joins the text and the variable values. So for example, here we will use age is and a plus operator. Same for salary and name. So this plus operator joins the text as I told. So this is called string concatenation. So when you run this, we'll get age is 25 and the same for all other variables. Now let me know what this prints. So age plus 5. So age value is 25, right? What I'm doing here is age plus 5 I'm saying doing. So comment down below what will be the output of this line. So let's run this, and if you see, the age is 25, 5. So what happens here? So Java joins everything as text once a string is involved. So whenever you add this string here, right, it considers this also as string. So it's just printing one by one, that is ages, what is age 25 as a string and 5 also as string. So if you remove this string here and if you give this, plus is considered as a operator, that is addition, and it will give you 30 here. So how do we solve this? So we have to use brackets to use the operator, something like this. So whatever added inside brackets will be executed first, hence we will get the value 30 here. See, in the first case it's 255, second time it's 30. So to know more about this, please go through the Java tutorial classes where I have explained all the concepts clearly. I will also add the link in the description below. Now let's see what are the common beginner mistakes we usually do. So we should not write the variable inside the double quotes. So it will consider as the text here instead of the variable. So we should always remove the quotes for variables. So prints text here and not the value. Okay, and then the next mistake will be So even this is error because we forgot to add the plus operator. So if you see, it shows the error. So we should always add plus operator. Let's recap what we learned today. So we learned how to print variable values and difference between printing text and variable, and how plus operator works with strings, and also few common mistakes for beginners. So in the next coding practice episode, we will use variables to perform simple arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Thanks for watching.